If you find yourself logged out of your Alpaca account, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Alpaca login page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Request password reset. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Submit the request to receive a password reset email. Step 3. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Alpaca. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions provided in the email. Step 4. Reset your password. Click on the link in the email to reset your password. You will be directed to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it as instructed. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Alpaca login page and enter your email and new password. If the reset was successful, you should now have access to your account. If you still encounter issues, consider contacting Alpaca support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your locked account successfully. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help.